Welcome to Cloudshot. In this quick tutorial, we'll walk you through how to connect your Google Cloud Platform, GCP, account to Cloudshot for seamless cloud management. Let's get started. First, log into your Cloudshot account. If you're already signed in, navigate to the Connect Your Cloud Account section. Click Start with GCP. There are two ways to connect your account. 1. Using your Google account, or 2. Using a JSON key file. In this video, we'll demonstrate the JSON key file method. Need help at any point? Click the video tutorial link for guided steps, or follow the on-screen instructions below. Let's begin. First, go to the Google Cloud Console. Navigate to IAM and Admin, then click on Service Accounts. At the top of the page, click Create Service Account. Enter a name for your new service account. Then click Create and Continue. Assign the required roles. For example, the owner role provides full access to most services. Click Continue, then Done to finish creating the account. Our service account has been created successfully. On the Service Accounts page, find the account you just created. Click the three-dot action menu on the right side and select Manage Keys. Under the Keys section, click Add Key, then select Create New Key. Choose JSON as the key type, then click Create. A JSON key file will be automatically downloaded to your computer. Head over to the Cloudshot GCP Setup page. In the Account Name field, enter a name of your choice. Click the Upload icon next to Upload JSON file, then select the file you just downloaded. Once the file is uploaded, click Submit to save your GCP configuration. That's it. Your GCP account is now connected to Cloudshot. Let's click on GCP Network Discovery to instantly visualize your cloud infrastructure. Next, choose your projects and click Show Deployment to view detailed insights into your cloud resources. Make sure to enable project billing if it's not already active. You've successfully connected GCP to Cloudshot, unlocking powerful infrastructure visualization, smart cloud management, cost optimization, and much more. Thanks for watching.